must be cool. Because with another company, we
very nice.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Very nice.
Yes.
So this one is similar for Nkatikwai.
Yes, so
Nkatikwai.
Japanese.
This is Japanese.
Japanese sword. It's a special mushroom. It's 7 mile expensive than a normal one. It's a special flavor. You taste it?
You can taste it.
No, not raw.
No, unless you
It's a special taste. Is it?
I used it a little bit in a smoothie, but
It's very healthy. It's very healthy.
Nice one.
wow.
Nice one. God has blessed it. God has blessed it.